Freddie D. Donaldson was a New York life agent with the most folksy advice ever. One thing he said stuck with me, and I know it can help you do more business in less time. He said, if you can sell one life insurance policy, you can sell 100. The trick is to squish them all into 1 year. Freddie's idea was to minimize the time between sales to maximize the number of sales. Good advice then, good advice now. So here's how you can sell more in less time too. First, this is a half-day job, and you can work any 12 hours you like. Life insurance selling takes momentum, and you can't build momentum in little spurts. In fact, spurting, not working, takes much more time, but makes far less money. It's much better to work long and hard when you're working and then take lots of time off in between. You only need 40 weeks a year. Persist also, long after the enthusiasm for your goal has worn off. The best advisors persist with prospects, persist with presentations, and persist with closes. They make daily and weekly activity promises to themselves, and keep them even when they don't want to. Hey, and also be a +1 agent. Do one more activity than planned every day. Professionals make promises. Amateurs make excuses. And it's important to remember that you are paid for results, not for activity. So do something specific to close a deal every day. And close without permission, and you'll get more sales more often. And be sure that you make things happen. You don't wait or watch for them to happen. Make things happen. Finally, build a longer prospect list than you have today, and then target the people you want to sell and find a way in to see them. When you do this, I tell you, you'll squeeze more sales out of the time that you have. God bless. We'll see you again next week.